Hey guys, here's the video of my new ceiling fan, my Hampton Bay Glendale. This fan replaced the Heritage ceiling fan, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. It's just like the Heritage ceiling fan is now gone, but it's got mahogany blades, brushed nickel, and look at all that. It's a Hampton Bay Glendale. Pretty good fan. I'll turn it on for you. Here's high. I'll show it in. It's a pretty powerful fan. And no, I'm not getting a. No, I'm not going to do anything. But this is a good fan, and it moves pretty air. It moves a lot of air. And here's medium. And low. And off. Now I'm not going to show this in reverse because I'm too lazy to do that, so I just like to show this fan off to you. I got another little fan, Lasco. I got a Lasco weather shield box fan. We're going to show that here in a little bit, so here it is. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll let it spin down. So here we go. Here's the video of the Lasco weather shield. Okay, now here's the Lasco weather shield. I'll get a video of that as soon as I can. So anyways, it's a pretty good runner. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. I'll have a video of this fan right here. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.